Welcome to Midwest Transmission Center's video series, Get It Into Gear. The NV3500 was used by Dodge in Dakotas and 1500 pickup trucks beginning in 1993. GM started using this transmission in 1990. In this video, we present questions and answers associated with common problems experienced with the NV3500. Our expert, Scott, helps to answer three typical questions that have been asked for NV3500 HM290 transmission problems and operations. We provide free technical support to assist you in making the correct diagnosis. We also offer rebuilt units and NV3500 hard parts. To ensure you get all the correct parts that you will need the first time, you should disassemble the unit prior to ordering parts. Once you have the unit disassembled, give Scott a call, 888-824-2012. He will guide you through the inspection process. Three of the most common Chevrolet, Dodge, and GMC manual transmission problems are reviewed next in a question and answer format. Question 1. A problem with the 1991 Silverado 5-speed. Today, while driving on the highway, something went crazy with the transmission. I went to downshift from 4th to 2nd for a stoplight, and the gear shift just seemed to float wherever it wanted. It took some time to find first gear to pull away from the stoplight. Answer. Assuming your transmission is the late model 1991 version with a second generation shifter, this model has a stamped steel reaction plate around the shift pod under the shifter assembly that controls the shifter. The reaction plates have a tendency to break and cause the sloppy symptoms you're describing. Another shifting problem might be a broken roll pin controlling the shifting of the unit, and this will require the transmission to be removed and disassembled to be repaired. Question 2. My truck, a 1992 Sierra extended cab with 235,000 miles, a 5.7-liter engine, and 5-speed transmission, has no second gear. We've gotten used to going from first to third with nary a problem. Answer. From your description, we would suspect that the engagement hub has been sheared off the gear. This is what the synchronizer slider would lock into that allows it to pull it into second gear. This can really be the only thing it is, seeing as it goes into first gear just fine, and both of these are on the same fork. Question 3. A 1995 S10 extended cab 5-speed manual NV3500 transmission. The problem is, it is hard to shift at lower speeds. At times, I really have to shove the gear shift into first gear when stopped. Must shove the clutch almost through the floor in order to shift. Gets worse once the truck is warmed up. No grinding noise, just extremely hard to put into gear. Answer. Sounds like a clutch hydraulic issue causing most of the problems. If the transmission shifts real hard in the lower gears at slow speed and better at highway speeds, then there's definitely an issue in the clutch assembly and/or hydraulic system. We suggest you start by replacing the slave cylinder, as it is the easiest and cheapest. Order part number MWTLSC124. The cost is $70.90 for an OE replacement, plus shipping and handling. If that does not remedy the problem, the second thing we would recommend is changing the clutch order. Part number MET04168. Your cost is $225 for an OEM replacement. When you install the clutch, be sure to install the disc properly. It is easy to install it backwards. We recommend taking pictures of disassembly to assist you in putting everything back together correctly. Here is some general information about the NV3500 5-speed manual transmission. Is fluid leaking from your NV3500 or HM290? Leaks can be caused by overfills as well as by seal issues. Noise in the NV3500 HM290. Normal noises include an audible whine at extreme speeds. Other noises are actually due to lubricant issues. Hard shifting, noise, wear, and internal bindings are usually caused by lubricant issues. Dirty gear oil, low levels, or the wrong lubricant.